Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Kuta Works. It's a very simple and quick step. Without further delay, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to open up your preferred web browser. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. You have to type in Kuta Works login and hit enter. So make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. Let's tap into that. It may take a while depending on your Wi-Fi connection, and there you are. You can see two empty fields. All you gotta do is tap in your email and your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap in this option that's a forgot password. And if you don't have an account and you need to create one, you can tap in that option that's a sign up. And that's it. We have come to your final step. Now all you gotta do is tap in that blue button that says sign in, and you'll be signing to your Kuta Works. That's it. Signing into Kuta Works is as simple as that. And yeah, if you have any queries, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.